Publishing your wedding website in Canva. Here's how. Click Publish Website, then, click Use a custom domain. Since we're using a free account, Canva provides one free domain you can use. Just enter the domain you want and make sure it's still available. When you spot one that's free, just hit Use this domain. Next, take a moment to check your website settings. Here, you can upload your own logo or keep the default Canva logo. You can also add a password, enable a navigation menu, optimize the layout for mobile, and set up social media previews. Once everything is set up, click Publish to make your website live. Just click Copy Link and send it to your guests so they can view your wedding site. And that's it for setting up the website. Thanks for following along. I hope this guide helps you. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my Joyful Art for more website ideas in Canva.